It's that day again. It's a Stitch Fix day. Let's see what I got in my box this time. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. I'm Andrea and I love clothes and unboxings and try-ons and shopping hauls, and if you like that kind of content, then I hope you will hit that subscribe button so that we can keep on hanging out, and hit the notification bell so that you don't ever miss out on any of my fun fashion adventures. Leave me a comment, that really helps my channel grow, and if you like this video, leave me that like. Thank you so much for spending part of your day watching my video. And I'm struggling a bit here to get it, get the tape. So Stitch Fix is, you probably know, it's a subscription styling service, and they send 5 pieces for a styling fee of $20. Some of us have a style pass, and that way we pay $49 for a year's worth of styling. If you get the $20 a box plan, then anything you buy in that box, they will apply the $20, but it is use it or lose it. With the $49, they will credit that to your next purchase, and then you don't have to pay it again for the rest of the year. But they are not offering those as much anymore. So they also send you a preview of 10 items, and you can choose up to 5. If you don't choose 5, then your stylist will fill in to make it up 5. And I do think I chose 2 things. All right, and I see a pair of shoes in the bottom. All right, so we've got some pretty colors there. We've got some maroon, navy, red, and the bottom one are pants that I chose. They do send you a mailer to send back anything that you don't like. You get a note from your stylist. My stylist is Marcia, and she does an amazing job. And yep, she's still styling me. And let's see. Yeah, you get a dedicated stylist. Shall we check out the shoes first? Can't remember if I said it, but if I didn't, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video today. I really, really do appreciate it. Yes, I think I chose these from the preview. These super cute black and white flats by Michael Kors. I hope they're comfortable. They have like a quilted bottom, so they look like they'd be comfortable. As I mentioned in the last Stitch Fix video that I published, which I'm actually just publishing today, obviously not today that you see this video, but today that I got this box. I love wearing heels, but I just don't have the opportunity much anymore, so I do love my shoes, so a cute pair of flats is always exciting to be able to consider. All right, let's dig into this bundle. If you have not tried Stitch Fix, I will leave my link below. That will give you $25 off. It'll also give me $25 credit. So up on top, we have a V-neck sweater by Pink Clover. It is a waffle knit. It's really soft. It is the Eyrwin V-neck sweater in dark purple. That's super pretty and soft. All right, next up we have the Vesper long sleeve sweater by Pink Clover. And this is, it's got like a split neck. I don't know that I would call that necessarily a V-neck. It's more like a split neck. And then it's got like this ribbing in the middle. And that feels really soft. You know, somebody asked me to list what the stuff is made out of, what the clothing is made out of. The purple top is 55% viscose, 46% nylon. And this one, these are so soft. This one is the same thing, 55 viscose, 45% nylon. And then we have a red sweater by Sanctuary. This is the Easy Breezy V-neck pullover sweater in red. It's kind of an orangey red. It's got ribbing at the cuff and at the band down there and around the V-neck. So that doesn't feel as soft. Let's check the fabric of that, the fabric makeup. It is 71% acrylic and 26% polyester and 3% spandex. I am finding that the older I get, the acrylic just does not agree with me. And then last we have Cosmic Blue Love, these kind of raspberry, got a cuff, and these are the Callie skinny cuffed chino pant in dark pink. It says, this garment contains tencel, a sustainable fiber that is made from wood pulp. Tencel tends to be really soft. So 3 sweaters, pair of pants, and a cute pair of flats. I'll show you my outfit of the day, and then I'll try these things on for you. Okay, today I'm wearing a sweater from Wantable. PJ Salvage makes it. I got it in a Sleep and Body Wantable, actually. It's a really cozy, soft material. And I am wearing them with DL 1961 jeans that I got from a Front Door Fashion. And I am pretty sure these are Market and Spruce booties that I got from Stitch Fix. So, representing all the different clothing subscriptions that I have right now. I actually haven't had a Front Door Fashion in, it's actually been a while. It's been over a year and a half, and I keep thinking that I should order one. Okay, this is the note from Marcia. Hello, Andrea. I see that you've selected some great items from your fix, and I'm thrilled to build upon those choices for this fix, from your fix preview. I've added a few cozy sweaters to your selections. For a fun mix of colors, try the bright pink pants from Cosmic Blue Love with the red V-neck sweater from Sanctuary. This pretty blue sweater from Pink Clover that you had saved in your freestyle shop became available, so I added it for you to try. Try it with blue jeans, or even consider some white jeans for a nautical look this spring. I also grabbed the Eyrwin V-neck sweater in a dark purple shade for you to try. The petite sizing should work well. Try it with black or blue denim. I love the ballet flats that you chose, so I'm excited to see how you style them. Enjoy, Marcia. All right, let's try some clothes on. So I have on 3 of the items. I have on the purple sweater. I decided to try them with the pink pants because when I was hanging them up, I thought, I think that would look good together. And I can't decide if I like it together or not. And then I've also got on the shoes, which are really cute, really comfortable. I will walk around with them, and I will of course give you the close-up in the mirror, but those are my first impressions of the shoes. They are a kind of a hybrid between a pointed toe and a rounded toe. And I don't generally like a super rounded toe, so I really like these. Okay, so let's come up close and talk about this sweater. So it's got the V-neck. It's comfortable. I like this material. It has also the seam down the front. It's got slits on the side and the tiniest bit of high-low. That's from the back. Really comfortable. My husband didn't like it. He said he thought it was kind of baggy, and it is a more relaxed fit, but I'll have to take a look and see. First impression, I like it. So that is the sweater. Let's talk about these pants. So how fun is this color? This is kind of like a bubblegum pink. I have various shades of pink in my closet, but none this shade. I like the way it cuffs. Let's see, I like that look. They are very stretchy, so they're very comfortable. They come right to my belly button, so a mid-rise. And this is them from the back. I do feel like they give me a little bit of a flat butt, but you know what? I've got a flat butt, so that's probably why. And there's a gel thing in the pocket. So I like these pants a lot. And this is a color that I don't have. So those are, I'm strongly considering also. I will go ahead and try on that red sweater like she suggested with these pants. Be right back. Oh, you know what? I will take you with me, and not to watch me change, but to get a close-up of the shoes. How cute are these flats? They are very flat, which sometimes doesn't work for me, but they felt good when I walked from my study into my bedroom. I like the black, and it's kind of like a ivory, off-white, but you know, it's a neutral, so I could wear it with anything, like these pink pants, and just, aren't they super cute? Let's see, do they have anything on the back? Nope. All right, well, Michael Kors, you know they're not going to be cheap, but let's try on that red top, that red sweater. So I said to my husband, now this is baggy, and he looked at it, he goes, not that much more than the other one, which I have to disagree. This is obviously not a petite. I mean, you can see my fingers barely come out, but you know, you can always slide them up. It is, I think, baggy. It's a fine look. There's something that I don't like about it though. I feel, and I don't know that it's coming across on camera, but this edge almost looks frayed to me. And like I said, I don't think it's coming across on camera, but it doesn't feel like great quality. It's a nice color, love the V-neck. It's okay. It's not horribly itchy. I think it's the kind of thing that it might get worse as I wore it, but I'm not loving this. So I just feel it's kind of oversized. All right, let's try on that navy sweater. So here's the navy sweater, and I did go ahead and pair it with some white boyfriend jeans. You can't see it in the viewfinder, but and I just some Sperry slip-on tennis shoes. This one's a little baggy too. All three of them have been on, you know, they're certainly not a fitted look. It's got the split neck, the ribbing. I'm just trying to, it's really soft, feels really good. I'm trying to decide what I think of it. It's got the slit on the side as well. I like it with the white jeans. I do like that nautical look. I feel like I like it, but I don't know that I love it. What do you think? All right. Yeah, I'm feeling a little on the fence. Let's do prices and a recap. Okay, that was another really good fix by Marcia. She really chooses great items for me to try, and I appreciate that. I really do. My fixes have been so much better since she started styling me. So all 5 pieces are $374. If you do buy all 5 pieces, you do get a 25% discount, which would take off $93.50, bringing the box down to $280.50, and shipping is included. So let's go through these. The pink clover Vesper long sleeve sweater in navy. This is an extra small. This is $54. It's really soft, and I liked some of the details, but it's funny because when I showed my husband, he goes, "That's nice." I said, "You don't think it's baggy?" And he goes, "Well, you told me that baggy's okay." And when I looked in the mirror, I was thinking I didn't love the way this fit. I didn't love it. So I am probably going to send this back because although it is soft and I love navy and I love some of the details, a little bit of baggy, a few items of baggy or oversized is okay, but that one just wasn't, I think, hitting the mark for me. Next up, we have the Sanctuary Easy Breezy V-neck pullover sweater in red. This is an extra small also, and it's $69. And that's a no. It's $69 is kind of high. I still don't think you can tell, but the neck just looked like, I don't know, fuzzy to me. I didn't like the acrylic, and I'm not sure I love that. I think it looks more orange red to me in person than I think it's coming across. Yeah, and it was just too big. It was really big and baggy also. And then we have the Michael Kors footwear. What is it called? It says Andrea on there. Anyway, this is the most expensive item in the box, which doesn't surprise me. Those are $115. And I will check and see if by chance I can find them anywhere else for a lower price, and Stitch Fix will price match, but I like those. I mean, I could keep just these and call it an incredibly successful box because I really like these. So those are a very strong contender. And then we've got the Cosmic Blue Love Callie Skinny Cuffed Chinos in dark pink. Love this color. And these are $88. Strongly considering these. However, I noticed when I was hanging them up that they have a spot. Do you see it right there? There's some kind of spot on there. So I would have to see if they could exchange it, because I'm not gonna pay full price for a pair of pants that are stained. And then we have the Pink Clover Eyrwin V-neck sweater in dark purple, extra small petite. You could tell that it was petite. It just, even though it was a little oversized, loose fitting is what I like, a relaxed fit. It wasn't like huge. And this is $48. So I'm gonna try this on again and see what I think. What do you think I should keep? Let me know in the comment box. Let me know how your fixes have been going. And yeah, until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.